go. I think the one with the bridge building. Like every time we had like group projects, like activities, those were fun.
I think I really like the get-togethers.
Oh yeah, the one where we were like eating
You mean
together.
potluck?
Well, yeah, that
I
one.
think I was also part of that and it was
Yes.
fun. Hello everyone, I am Ekta and welcome to Danford Dialogues. Today I'll be asking some questions to my students who are going to complete their journey soon. We will talk about their experiences, their memories, challenges, and also about the future goals. So, here they are. Could you please introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm Cathryn. I'm studying under the course of Civil Construction Design, and I've been here in Australia for almost 2 years.
And I'm Luna, and I've been in Australia for 3 years, and I'm doing the same course as Cathryn.
So, where are you originally from?
I'm originally from the Philippines.
And I'm Colombian.
Okay, so how did you know about this course?
I was doing, before I applied for my visa, I did some research on which schools are the best to go to in Australia, and Danford was the first thing that came up. And they had like, the school had good reviews, so that's why I chose that school. That school.
Cool. What about you, Luna?
I think back then I was in Bayside, which is like the English college, and they recommended me Danford. I looked through and I found it really like interesting. I thought like, okay, let's give it a shot, and now I'm here.
That sounds good. So now I have some questions related to your studies. Are you up for it? Yeah. Okay. So what subject or unit did you enjoy the most?
I think the one with the AutoCAD, because we made like drawings, 3D drawings.
You actually felt like an engineer, right?
Yes, that one.
I think to me it was the same.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. Okay, so what was the hardest part of this course?
The hardest part. I think there was like 2 or 3 units that was very difficult in my end, because there was a lot of calculations, a lot of numbers, a lot of like solving and all that. But I managed in the end.
You mean steel, concrete, geotechnical?
Yeah, all that. The ones with the calculations, yeah.
I think to me the one with calculations and AutoCAD.
So one more question about your studies, don't worry. Okay, so what important skills did you gain?
Ooh. Well, for me, it was in AutoCAD, because I'm actually like planning to be a draftsperson. So being excellent in AutoCAD and Revit and all that is like very important to me. So I think that's like the most important skill that I have learned so far.
Yeah, I agree with Cathryn.
Yeah, sounds good. Okay, so now I'll be asking some fun questions with you. Are you excited?
Yep.
Can you show me the excitement?
Let's go.
Okay, so be honest.
Okay.
Who was always late to the class?
This one.
I
Yeah,
know.
This girl. This.
Okay, who asked the most questions?
I think that would be me, yeah.
She was shy.
Yeah, a bit shy.
I had to
like,
go
in
and
the
ask
first
her, like, do you have any questions? Do you have any questions?
Yeah, I
I
remember that.
remember.
I know.
Like
Okay.
no one knows.
So, what was the funniest classroom memories that you have?
I think the one with the bridge building. Like every time we had like group projects, like activities, those were fun.
Yeah.
But the most enjoyable one was the like bridge building. That one.
Yeah, I agree.
Definitely.
Yeah, because it was like, imagine, we never had done it before.
Yeah,
It was something new.
I know. That was the first time I've done it.
It was in a big group as well. I remember that.
Yeah.
Mhm.
So, mean you enjoyed doing activities rather than studying?
Well,
Well, it's like a kind of...
Okay, I get it.
no. I mean, because doing group activities is a fun way of learning. Because
Okay.
just reading and all that, you don't really learn much. Really, just words. So, like doing like the hands-on experience is much more better.
Okay, so you like studying and then activities?
Yes, like a mix of both.
Yeah.
Same.
Yeah.
Okay, so one word to describe your class?
Fun. That's all. Like fun.
Fun.
Okay, so now I'll be asking with you some of the memory related questions, like what memories you had here. Okay, what memory will stay with you forever?
Well, the memory that will stay with me forever, like will stick to me the most, were like the first few months of classes when classes first started, because everything was new to me. I was like getting to know everyone, like the culture, like the places, the environment, everything. I think those times were like the ones will stick to me the most.
Oh.
Yeah.
So, how have you changed since starting this course?
Oh, what was the question? Sorry.
Okay, so how have you changed since starting this course?
Oh, okay.
I mean, like, how were you when you started the course, and what
Yeah.
kind of changes you have seen in yourself after
In
completing this
myself?
course? Yeah.
Yeah, I should say that definitely I'm more confident.
Yeah.
And then
I can see that too. Yeah.
Yeah. Same with me. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So, who supported you the most during your studies?
Well, definitely it's you.
Exactly.
Like no one else. It's our trainer.
Okay. Good to know that. So, what will you miss most about student life?
Oh, I think a lot.
to
Like,
see each other every class.
Oh.
yes, like being classmates, like everything will be nostalgic. Like,
Yeah.
I miss you too as well.
oh yeah,
Yeah.
definitely.
Okay. So, last question. If you could relive one day from college, which day would it be? Means relive again.
Oh,
The best day that you had here that
Yeah.
you want to impress that day again.
that's really hard to answer.
Every day is memorable here,
I
right?
know every day.
Yeah.
Every
But
day.
you have to choose one.
I have to choose.
Yeah.
I really
I think
can't
I really,
choose.
I think I really like the get-togethers.
Oh yeah, the one where we were like eating
You mean
together. Well, yeah, that
Yeah.
I think
one.
I was
that
also
one.
part of that and it was
Yes.
fun. I
It was
enjoyed
So
it
good.
too,
We
yeah.
try
Yeah.
other like people's food from other
Yes.
cultures. Was so good.
Exactly. Yeah.
Yeah. So now I will be asking some of the questions related to your future goals. Are you ready for it? Yeah. Okay. So what are your plans after graduation?
Well, for me, I'm planning on going for an internship.
Ooh.
Yeah.
So I'll try to do the same thing.
Okay. So what kind of career do you want?
Like, kind of job.
Yeah, a job, or you want to start up your own business, or you want to do content creation.
Oh.
There are a lot of things.
Oh,
What
yeah.
you want to do? What kind of career do you want?
I think I would like to do a hydro engineer.
Okay, that's nice. What about you, Catherine?
I want to be a drafts person.
Okay, so where do you see yourself in 5 years? Next 5 years?
In the next 5 years. Ooh.
Ooh.
Probably here, working in Australia, trying to get a permanent residency.
Same.
Yeah, sounds interesting. Do you have any advice for new students?
Yeah. Always show up to class.
Yeah.
Always do your task properly. Like always like do a full report, not just one sentence. And what else?
Yeah, that's it. Come to class every day.
I agree. Please come to class. Don't go for secondary assessment. Please. Okay, so now we have some rapid fire questions.
Let's go.
Okay, so quick.
Yeah.
Okay. Coffee or energy drink?
Coffee.
Coffee.
Online or face-to-face classes?
Face
Face to face.
So that you can see me.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, so group assignment or solo work?
Prefer
Group.
solo.
You prefer solo?
Yeah.
Group.
Okay, morning classes or evening classes?
Morning.
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 Are you a morning person or a night owl?
Morning. Oh,
I'm not a morning person, but I do prefer morning classes.
Why?
yeah, that's
Ooh. I think in the morning you're more active. You have more energy. Like you start in the day. What do you reckon?
yeah, that's true. Yeah.
Okay, nice one. Okay, so what is your dream company to work for?
A dream company. I'm not actually sure, but there's a lot of good companies out there. But if I had to choose, I don't know, like Hickory or I forgot the name of the other ones, but there's a lot.
So what about you, Luna?
I think I would like to work for like a council or something.
Oh,
The council that I have where I live is Marunda. Sorry.
you want to
Maybe
get a
in
job there?
Marina. Yeah.
Nice. Sounds interesting. So one word for Danford College.
Amazing.
Multicultural.
Amazing. Yeah.
One word for your trainer.
Kind. But actually, I have a
Determined.
lot of words for you, but for one word, it's just
And determined from
Yeah.
my side.
Thank you. Okay, so yeah, It was fun having you both here. I wish you all the best for your future. Yeah, that's all for today. Thank you. Stay tuned for more podcast and hit like, share and subscribe button.